Understanding road signs is essential for safe driving, whether you're preparing for your driving test or just brushing up on your knowledge. In today's video, we'll break down the shapes and colors of UK road signs and what they mean. From red circles that tell you what not to do, to blue signs that give you mandatory instructions, we've got you covered. Stay tuned as we guide you through everything you need to know. Starting with road sign shapes, there are three types of road sign shapes: circular, triangular, and rectangular. Let's start by looking at circular signs give orders. A red and white sign prohibits you from doing something, and a blue sign orders you to do something. The road sign above means you're prohibited from performing a U-turn in the road. Next, we have triangular signs that give warnings. For example, the traffic sign above gives a warning of an icy road ahead. The triangular sign may be upright or inverted. And finally, among the road sign shapes, we have rectangular signs that give information. For example, the sign above tells you that a street is one way, that is to say, traffic can only move in a single direction on a particular road. Next, we have road sign colors. You can learn the shapes of road signs and their meanings by remembering the following. The first thing that you will probably notice when looking at a road sign is its color. The color of a road sign will determine what kind of message it's trying to convey. There are 5 colors that you will often see, each with its own distinctive message. We have red road signs that tell you not to do something or to take notice. Then blue road signs tell you something you must do. That's if not on a motorway. And they also tell you information about the road you are on if on a motorway. We also have the green road signs that tell you the direction of primary routes. We have the white road signs that tell you the direction of non-primary routes. And finally, the yellow road signs that tell you about roadworks or information relating to events and parking. Now let's look at the blue signs a little more. Blue road signs have 2 primary uses for roads in the UK. These depend on the shape of the traffic sign. We have the blue circular signs. Most commonly, blue signs give mandatory instruction. They tell you something that you must do. For example, this sign tells you that you must proceed in the direction indicated. Blue circular road signs may also indicate which sort of road user can use a particular route, e.g. cyclists, pedestrians, buses, trams, taxis, etc. This sign indicates that the route is designated for cyclists and pedestrians. Next, we have the blue rectangular signs. Blue rectangular signs are primarily used to show information about the road you're on. For example, this sign indicates the distance to a car park ahead. You will also see blue road signs on motorways. Here, blue rectangular road signs provide directions. Next, we shall be looking at the red road signs in details. In most cases, a red sign orders you not do something. We have the red circular signs like this one. If a circular sign has a red ring around its perimeter, it means you must not do whatever is displayed on the sign. For example, if 40 is displayed on this type of sign, it means you must not exceed 40 miles per hour. We also have red triangular signs. Red triangular signs usually contain warnings. For example, this sign warns you of traffic lights ahead. Red triangular signs may also be inverted, as in the case of this sign which warns of you of a give way. Next are the red rectangular signs. Rectangular signs with a red background usually contain warning messages. This sign warns road users to reduce their speed. We also have this stop sign. This red stop sign doesn't fall into any of the 3 categories of shape we mentioned earlier, that is the circular, triangular, or rectangular. The shape of this stop sign is an octagon, and it's exclusively reserved for this particular sign owing to the great importance of its message, and also so that it can be seen even if it is partly covered, for example, by snow. Next, we have green road signs. In almost all cases, green road signs are rectangular, although there is an exception to the rule, where we have circular green road signs. First, let's look at the green rectangular signs. In the vast majority of cases, green traffic signs provide direction information on primary routes that aren't motorways. This sign indicates that a non-primary route passes through a bypassed town or village. Next, we also have green circular signs. Green circular signs are reserved for manually operated signs used at roadworks or blockages to indicate you must go. Next road signs, color are the white signs. In most cases, white road signs are rectangular in shape. White rectangular signs give directions on non-primary routes. This sign gives directions to different types of parking places. They can also be used in conjunction with warning and regulatory signs. This sign is one such example. National Speed Limit Sign. The National Speed Limit sign is the only white road sign that is circular in shape. Lastly, we have the yellow road signs. In the majority of cases, you will find yellow road signs where roadworks are being undertaken. These signs will almost always be rectangular. This sign indicates a motorway contraflow system. Yellow is also sometimes used to provide information, such as those signs displaying parking information. Next is a quiz of what we have covered today. Question 1. What shape of road sign gives orders in the UK? Answer: circular. Which color on a circular road sign usually prohibits an action? Red. What shape of sign is used to give warnings? Triangular. What type of road sign provides information? Rectangular. A blue circular sign tells you to do what? Take mandatory action. What color is used on a sign indicating roadworks or parking information? Yellow. Which shape is exclusively reserved for a stop sign? Octagon. What color provides directions on primary routes in the UK? Green. What is indicated by a red circular sign? You must not do something. What type of sign usually contains a red border? Prohibition signs. What does a green circular sign mean at roadworks? You must go. Which color on a rectangular sign indicates a motorway route? Blue. What does a white circular sign with a black diagonal stripe represent? National Speed Limit. Which shape can a red triangular sign have to warn you to give way? Inverted triangle. What is the main purpose of blue rectangular road signs? Providing information. What do red triangular signs usually indicate? Warnings. Which color tells you to take notice or prohibits an action? Red. What does a blue rectangular sign show on a motorway? Directions. Which sign shape gives information on non-primary routes? Rectangular. What color is typically used on road signs indicating direction for non-primary routes? White. Thanks for watching. Now that you know the shapes and colors of UK road signs, you're one step closer to mastering the roads. Whether you're preparing for your driving test or just refreshing your knowledge, understanding these signs is key to staying safe. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more driving tips, and hit the bell to be notified of our next video. Safe driving, and see you next time.